All right, so this is the second part of our right triangle test review. Okay, so if you remember from the last video, we were using the 45, 45, 90 triangle concept and the 30, 60, 90 triangle concept. So let's go ahead and finish that. So here we have a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Okay, and we see that here. All right, and so they give us, so if we look at our triangle, they give us the hypotenuse, which is equal to the square root of 2x equal to 4. And we want to find x so we can get those other sides. So we're just going to divide square root of 2 on both sides. All right, now remember, when you rationalize, you are multiplying this by a whole number, and that's just itself. But when you multiply two square roots, you're just treating them as if they are just regular numbers, but it just has a square root. So then that's going to become 4 times square root of 2 divided by 2. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2 square root of 2, which is x. Okay, so both of these are going to be x, so both of these are going to be 2 square root of 2. All right, we have a 30, 90, 60 triangle here. All right, and so we see that adjacent to the 30 degrees is a long side. That long side is equal to the square root of 3x to 12 times square root of 3. Okay, now if we look at this, these two are going to cancel out because they are the same. And then we just got 12. Okay, so 12 is x. So we got 2x, which is 2 times 12, which is going to be 24. And then x, which is just 12. So then xy is 12, 2x is 24. All right, so these next parts are going to involve some geometry, but we're still going to be using the same 45, 45, 45, 45, 90 triangle and 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, so it says find the length of a sides of a square whose diagonal is 5 times square root of 3. So we have, if we look at this, we have a square. Here, let me look at here. We have a square. All right, and then property of a square is that all sides are congruent. Okay,